If you've been in an accident, you're probably concerned with treating for your injuries and getting your car repaired. One thing you might want to consider is something called a diminished value claim. Diminished value is the difference between the pre-accident value of your car and the post-repair value of your car. Even if your vehicle is expertly repaired with no signs of damage, the fact that it has a damage history will make its resale value lower. It's important to hire an experienced attorney like us. We'll work closely with a dedicated vehicle appraiser to help establish your loss, and then we'll contact the insurance company to bring a claim. Insurance companies don't like diminished value claims, and they'll do anything they can to avoid paying you. That's why it's important to hire an experienced law firm that knows how to deal with these types of cases. Here's some additional information in case you get into a car accident. Get a trade-in value in writing from the dealership that you purchased the vehicle from. This can help us support your diminished value claim. Take photos of each angle of your vehicle after the accident. We can use these photos as evidence. Once we have all that information, we'll begin working with the insurance company on your behalf to pursue your diminished value loss. So give us a call.